In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an automatic index in Google Docs using the 2025 guide. Let's make document navigation easier with this simple but effective feature. First, let's get started with opening your Google Doc. Head over to Google Docs through your preferred web browser. Once there, open the document where you want to create the index. This is an important step because it's within this document where we'll organize your content and set up the index. Next, let's talk about heading styles since these are essential for Google Docs to generate an index. The index gets its structure from headings, so applying heading styles to your text is crucial. Begin by selecting the text you'd like included in your index. This commonly involves chapter titles, sections, or subsections that help outline your document's content. Look at the toolbar above your document. You'll notice a drop-down menu that typically displays normal text. Click on this to reveal the heading options available. Choose a heading style that best fits the hierarchy of your document. For instance, heading 1 is usually used for main chapters. Heading 2 might denote subsections, and heading 3 can be applied to subsections. This structured hierarchy will ensure that your index is organized neatly. Now, with the heading style set, it's time to insert the automatic index. Decide where you'd like your index to appear. Usually, this is at the beginning of your document for easy access. Place your cursor on the exact spot where you want the index. Then, on the menu bar, go to Insert and hover over Table of Contents. Here, you'll see a couple of options to choose from. You can opt for the with page numbers style if your document is intended for printing, providing a traditional appearance that shows exact page locations. Alternatively, select the with blue links style, ideal for online documents. This version will create clickable links, allowing readers to jump directly to sections with a simple click. By following these steps, you'll have effectively created an automatic index in your Google Doc, making document navigation smoother for both you and your readers. This feature is incredibly handy, especially for longer documents such as reports or academic papers, where easy access to various sections can save a significant amount of time. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your Google Docs experience more efficient. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to delve into more detailed guides or explore the features of Google Docs. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.